Hey, what's up guys? My name is Mac and welcome to my garage. Today we're gonna work on a 2010 Volkswagen Tiguan and specifically the turning signals. And one of the light bulbs is shut and we're gonna try to diagnose it and try to fix it. Let's go. Now, when you get into your car, you'll notice that there's a light bulb indicator there. Now that means that there's a malfunction in one of your light bulbs. Now that could be anything. It could be your headlight bulbs, it could be your brake lights, or it could be your turning signals. For the headlights, for this one, we'll just have to turn on the headlights and we're gonna do a visual check. Same thing for the brake pedals. For this one, we'll just have to press the brake pedals and we're gonna do another visual check for this one. But for this particular video, we'll be focusing on the turning signals. So finally, we've narrowed it down to this tail light. As you can see, the front one is working and the rear one isn't. So let's open it up. Here's some of the tools that we'll need. A torque set, a ratchet, a drill, a trim removal tool, some gloves, and some goggles. So first, we have to remove these two screws here. And for that, we're gonna need a T25 and a drill. And we're gonna remove these two screws here, like so. The trick is, if you're using a drill, make sure it's in the lowest setting so you don't cross thread or loose thread the bolts. So after removing those screws, we're gonna need the trim removal tool, okay? Now, for this one, we're gonna try to pry this area right here because there's a clip that locks it there, okay? So we're gonna try to pry it here, like so. And then just pull it towards you or going to the back, okay? Just like that, but slowly, don't remove it all the way because the wiring harness is still connected to the headlight assembly. As you can see, there's a clip on both sides. You're gonna try to press that to unlock and remove the wiring harness away from the taillight assembly, okay? Okay, so we're gonna try to remove the wiring harness now, like so. So after removing the taillight assembly from the car, make sure that you're placing it on a piece of cloth or like this, a tablecloth, to avoid scratching the assembly, okay? Now we're gonna turn this way because we're gonna try to remove this piece right here, okay? It's being connected with these three clips here. We're just gonna try to unlock that. There you go. And then just pull it away from the assembly. There you go. This is what we're gonna work on. Now we're gonna try to inspect why this light bulb, it's not working. So far, just by looking at it, it's a good light bulb. The filaments are still intact, but one of the pin is missing. There should be a pin right there or a metal wire. As you can see on this one, there's one here, but there's nothing on that side. Okay, so either way, we still have to buy a new light bulb. Now we have a new replacement part here. We'll just have to do the reverse of taking out the light bulb from this one. So we just have to put this one back, like so. Perfect. And then make sure the clips are all aligned where it's supposed to be, like this. And then we'll just have to insert it back like that. Make sure you hear the clips, the clicks. Perfect. Now let's just install this to the car. The harness, inserting it back to the taillight assembly, and make sure you hear the click again, okay? And make sure you do a little pull there, not too much, just to make sure that it's there and it's not gonna removed. That's good. And then putting it back where it's supposed to be. Make sure you push like that. Perfect. Now, next is we're gonna put back the screws, okay? Grab your T25. And your ratchet. Now for the first part, we'll just have to do a hand tight for this one, or try to insert it with your fingers. Never use the drill for this one, just to avoid it from cross-threading it. Just to make sure that the screw is on the bolt properly. Same thing to this one. Now, the tail light is fixed. Now, if you want to make sure that it's working, come follow me. As you can see on this one, you don't see the light indicator anymore. And the blinking is under normal speed now. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.